cough up. Cough up has a few meanings. Cough up can be to lose possession of a ball or a puck in a contact sport. For example, he was checked so hard he coughed up the puck in front of his own goal. Cough up can mean to expel something from your lungs, like cough up a hairball. Cough up can also be to reveal or confess something, usually after some pressure. For example, the suspect finally coughed up the truth during questioning. She coughed up the details about who broke the window. And it can mean to reluctantly give money or something that's owed. After weeks of reminders, he finally coughed up the money he owed me. My brother refused to cough up his share of the dinner bill. Cough up.